Do you know you can be making money from these two things that I'm going to mention? Already you have seen one here, which is number one is coinmarketcap, and the second one is exchanges. When I'm talking about exchanges, I'm talking about crypto exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Mex and Get.io. So all what you need to do is head over to your Google Play Store, or if you are using um iOS phones like iPhone, you can go to App Store and get coinmarketcap for yourself, and also make sure you are verified on some top exchanges like Binance, Bybit, all those top exchanges. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, I am Crypto 001. All I do on this channel is to talk about anything related to crypto in this platform. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to like, subscribe and share so that it will also get to others. Let's jump into the video of the day. Once you have registered on your coin market cap, you have your exchanges, come to here where you see earn. Click on earn here. Click on earn. We are waiting for it to load up. So once this interface pop up, you navigate to your exchange listing. Here you will see a lot of exchanges that are planning to list particular coins, so you can take advantage of these exchanges. But the one I would really recommend people to go for is Binance. Assuming you come to this exchange listing, you see opportunity that Binance is about to list a particular coin, you need to go and look for other coins and see if the coin is has been already in existence. So what you need to do, you go to either KuCoin, Bybit, Bitget, Get.io or Mex to check if this coin that Binance want to list is already in the market. So if the coin is already in the market, you buy that coin, because anytime Binance list the coin, it will skyrocket. Because why would it skyrocket? Because Binance is a very popular exchange and it's very trustworthy. Okay, so you go to other exchanges and do as I just said in this video. So without wasting much of time, let me just do a quick example to show you, for you to understand. Okay, for instance, let me look for, okay, can you see this cookie? Cookie was listed on Binance on the 10th of January 2025. Assuming you come here on 10th of January 2025, assuming you catch up on this coin earlier, that Binance is about to list it on the 10th of January 2024, what you do is to go and look for other exchanges to see if the coin is already there. So let's use KuCoin for instance. Okay, this is my KuCoin. Let's click on trade. You can see the coin here. So let's navigate to January January 9th. Okay, assuming you catch up on this cookie earlier before it gets listed on Binance, you would have come here on the 9th. You can see for yourself on the 9th of January 2025, this coin was traded very low at the price of 0.431, and immediately it get listed on Binance, it rise to 0.835. So let's check how much you would have made if you try this with $50 or $10. Let me use $20 so that I think this one is affordable for everyone. So imagine you come here. Okay, let's say you bought it at this price with your 20 USDT. Your 20 USDT is going to give you 46 cookie. After buying it, you wait for the launch day of Binance. So, and what we saw earlier, immediately Binance listed the coin, yeah, it rise to 0.8 0.835. You can see if actually you bought this coin on the 9th of January 2025, and on the 10th of January, after Binance listed the coin, you would have made a profit of $18. You have made a profit of $18 with your $20. So I know a lot of you might be um asking yourself question, where can I get this money, where can I make this money? You can save money. Actually, if you have up to 30,000 now, you can buy up to 20 USDT. Or if you don't have, the zeal to save money, you can actually engage in some airdrops. There are a lot of airdrops that will make 10, $5, $20. So just do something for yourself and you will make it. So far you are trying, you will make it. So if you like this kind of content, please do it to like, share and subscribe, please.